Welcome friends, we have a so beautiful image on the screen. I would go on that precious options and here I would apply that beautiful butterflies that here like that, and now I have to choose these uh, flowers to apply the butterflies on it. That is images looking so awesome and beautiful with these things, and here I am also trying to apply that one on it. And now dear friends, I would go on that readers and add that reshape options, and here I would apply that options on the pictures, and our image is looking